Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I'm Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is sacrificing Udhiya Qurbani as per Quran and color of the cow for sacrificing Udhiya Qurbani. So, the method to remember Ibrahim al-Islam, peace be upon him, sacrifices in later generation, not Habil Qabil or Prophet Musa al-Islam. In Quran, there are question as well as answer. Somewhere question is mentioned first and answer is later, while other time answer is mentioned first and question is later. You need to ponder on it like divers dive into ocean to get pearls and other jewelries. One need to follow the direction from the Quran, which also says to return from where others return at Hajj, which is clear direction to follow one method of Hajj. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 196 to 203. He, peace be upon him, is remembered at Hajj among later generation. It is about Prophet Ibrahim Islam. Reference Al Quran, chapter 37, verse 108. Sacrificing Udhiya Qurbani is linked with performance of Hajj only, and the place of sacrificing Udhiya Qurbani is only near Kaaba in Mecca, not in your backyard, not on the street, and creating problem for rulers, governments as well. Sacrificing animals could be old and used. Once old cow stops giving milk or old ox, which is not able to use in the farmland, they can be used. Allah commanded to do Udhiya Qurbani only by those performing the Hajj for eating and distributing the meat to the poor and the needy as well. Further, Allah has commanded that those who cannot afford to make Udhiya Qurbani, they should keep fast for 3 days during the Hajj in Mina and further fast for 7 days after returning home, thus totaling total 10 days. But those who are living in Makkah and around, they should fast for full 10 days continuous. Please see detail in Quran chapter 2 verse 196, chapter 22 verse 26 to 37, and for more references, Quran, see Quran chapter 37 verse 101 to 111. You may benefit from sacrificing animals for an appointment term. Then the place of sacrifice is near ancient house, Kaaba only, not in your backyard, not on the street, and creating problem for governments. Reference Al Quran, chapter 22, verse 33. And the color of the cow, reason for the color of the cow in the Quran is of Prophet Musa al-Islam time and is not related to Hajj or sacrifice at all. And people wrongfully doing sacrifice at their home and on streets. There were two main reasons on this in this sentence. Number one, another way to show how deaths can be alive again. And number two, to show what criminals were hiding a murder case. For more detail, please read Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 67 to verse 74. Sacrificing Wadawiyah Qurbani is linked with performance of the Hajj only, and the place of sacrificing Wadawiyah Qurbani is only near Kaaba in Makkah, not in your backyards. Reference Al Quran, chapter 2, verse 196, chapter 22, verse 26 to verse 37. In chapter 22, verse 33, Allah clearly mentioned, لَكُمْ فِيهَا مُنَافِقٌ إِلَى أَجَلٍ مِّن مُّسَمًّى ثُمَّ مِنْ महल्लुहा इला अलबैती अतीक उसके ज़बह होने की जगह कदीम घर काबा के करीब है. You may benefit from sacrificing animals for an appointed term. Then the place of sacrifice is near ancient house Kaaba only, not in your backyard, not your street. Reference Al Quran, chapter 22, verse 33. The reason why all mix up is before we don't have technology, we might not have remembered the things, or there could be another things. That hypocrites flooded hearsay to deviate Ummah from the Quran. All hadith, including Siyasitta, Sahih al-Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Musnad Ahmed, Ibn Majah, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan Sagra, Sunan al-Tirmidhi, Sunan Ibn Majah, etc., are not authentic and cannot supersede the Quran, since they were hidden for around 200 250 years after Prophet Muhammad and were compiled thereafter, while Allah commanded Prophet Muhammad to proclaim his words, the Quran, as is without hiding anything, including Qul. Reference Al Quran, chapter 3, verse 20, chapter 5, verse 67, chapter 5, verse 99, chapter 46, verse 9, chapter 69, verse 44 to 46. Assalamu alaikum.